Hello guys, welcome back. It's been a long time. Yeah, today I'm gonna be renewing my headlights. But before that, I'm gonna install this shift knob that I got from Amazon. I know. I just wanna just change the one I have right now to this one for something smaller, so that before I go with something that I want. This is just for a temporary purpose and all that. But I hope you guys have been good. So let's get to it. As the car is warming up, we're gonna install this, and this is the old one I have. I don't really like it anymore. It's too big, so this is the one I got. Woo. Not bad. Most people said this looked like a dildo. I have installed it. I'll be heading over to my friend's place so that he's gonna help me, renew the headlights. So without further ado, let's go. Definitely feels like a short shifter. I think it's way better, or maybe it's because it's different. Good?
Yeah. That's your fault.
Every little thing you do, it gets me thinking. By another shot, you got me drinking. Girl, you shut me down and there's no witness. Got me in my feels, she would never listen. All the alcohol is in my liver. I guess I lost and you're the winner. Missing your touch, you were a good kisser. I was born a saint, but now I'm a sinner. Falling for you. For you. For you. 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 All the times with you, they just fly by. All the memories pop up on my timeline. Change your colors on me like you're tie-dye. Got me falling for you while you take a skydive. See you in another dimension. Can't sleep on my nights restless. Baby girl, you were my best friend. Best friend. Every little thing you do, it gets me thinking. By another shot, you got me drinking. Girl, you shut me down and there's no witness. Got me in my feels, she would never listen. All the alcohol is in my liver. I guess I lost and you're the winner. Missing your touch, you were a good kisser. I was born to sing, but now I'm a sinner. Falling for you. For you. For you. Falling for you. For you. For you. Falling for you. For you. For you. Falling for you.
the lights turned out from how it was before. I mean, no much difference, but for now, I'll use it like that. Yeah, the car is a little bit dirty right now. No, yeah. Well, made progress today. Catch you guys on the next one.
You will never